Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Wednesday, August 28th, 2024. OpenSea receives a Wells notice from the SEC. Starknet introduces support for parallel execution. Centrifuge launches a real-world asset lending market. And FluidKey releases its tool for private transactions. All this and more starts right now. OpenSea announced that it has received a Wells notice from the SEC, alleging that NFT asset listings on the platform are securities. A Wells notice signals the SEC's intent to initiate enforcement action against the company. OpenSea co-founder Devin Finzer says that the action stifles innovation and affects thousands of artists and creators. The action represents one of the first instances of the SEC targeting an NFT marketplace. NFTs are typically regarded as collectibles, digital art, and game items. The SEC has previously issued Wells notices to exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken. In response to the letter, OpenSea has committed $5 million to a fund aimed at covering legal expenses for NFT artists and developers who also receive a Wells notice. Starknet version 0.13.2 is now live on mainnet, introducing parallel execution and block packing to the network. Parallel execution allows multiple independent transactions to be processed simultaneously, enhancing throughput and reducing transaction confirmation times for the network. Block packing decouples Layer 2 block frequency from Layer 1 costs by merging multiple Layer 2 blocks into a single recursive proof. The feature enables 2-second transaction confirmations and sub-minute block times while optimizing gas usage, cutting Layer 1 gas costs by up to 66%. Starknet is currently the fourth largest ZK rollup by total value locked. Centrifuge, an on-chain credit protocol, launched an institutional real-world asset lending market on Base, powered by Morpho Protocol. The market enables investors to deposit treasury tokens into permissioned Morpho vaults, managed by Stakehouse Financial and RE7 Labs. Initial supported assets include Anemoy's Liquid Treasury Fund, Meta's short-term US Treasuries, and Hashnote's US Yield Coin. The market also features an integration with Coinbase verifications, which allows Coinbase users to attest to their KYC status with a single click. And lastly, FluidKey, a transaction privacy tooling provider, is now open for all users. FluidKey provides a privacy-focused smart account that automatically generates a new address and reroutes funds for each payment made into the primary address. All generated addresses remain under the user's exclusive control without being publicly linked to their primary address. FluidKey supports transactions across Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon, Base, and OP mainnet. In other news, Abstract Chain introduces a global smart wallet, and Risk Zero is now open source. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethddaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.